can say kamusta ka.
Yeah, kamusta
I can
ka?
say magandang gabi.
Ah,
Magandang umaga. I
Yeah.
can say magandang hapon.
Oh,
I can say
magandang tanghali.
magandang tanghali.
Yeah.
I can say how they say delicious.
Yummy.
Yeah. Biryami.
Delicious in
How do you-
Tagalog.
Eh.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Salamat.
Salamat. Yeah, salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Wow.
Bro, I'm getting it. Ano pa?
Marunong mag-English. Marunong mag-Tagalog. Marunong mag-English.
Yeah.
My language is Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Yeah.
But now you are speaking Tagalog.
Yeah, because country in Manila, capital, ano ba?
In the Philippines, a lot of language.
Yeah.
But the nationality in the Philippines is Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have language Bisaya. So mahal kita and Bisaya gihigugma.
Gihigugma.
Yeah, gihigugma.
Wow.
Gihigugma tika.
Ladies from Bisaya.
Bisaya,
Gihigugma.
tika.
Tika.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'm pronouncing well. Yeah?
Yeah,
Can you show me one and then I tell her like that?
Yeah.
Gihigugma.
Meaning to say English, I love you.
Oh.
Oh, I love you.
What about if I want to say you are beautiful?
Yeah, beautiful,
Guapa.
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 In Bisaya, guapa.
No, guapo.
Yeah, guapo is male.
Handsome.
Oh.
Handsome, yes, the male.
Guapa.
But in the
Guapo.
Bisaya,
I'm guapa, eh?
Guaping.
female.
Filipina, tell me now. Follow me, talk to me, eh? Tell me. I'm guapa.
Guapa.
Eh?
Guapa you.
Would you love me?
Oh.
How they say, would you love me in your language?
Huh?
How they say, can you love me?
Pwede
If
mo
I
ba-
want to ask someone, maybe I want to ask
in
her.
Tagalog,
In Tagalog.
Bisaya, in Tagalog,
Eh.
pwede mo ba akong mahalin? Yeah.
Pwede mo ba akong mahalin?
Pwede mo ba, ano na, mahal?
Pwede mo ba ako mahalin?
It is very hard to say, so I'm not going to manage to ask you if you can love me.
Yeah.
Kibiduga,
Can you love me? Yeah.
Can you love me?
Kibiduga,
Pwede mo ba ako?
Pwede.
Pwede mo ba
pwede mo ba
ako
ako
mahalin?
mahalin?
Yeah.
Pwede mo ga
Ako
mahalin? It's no easy to get a Filipina girl.
Yeah, very easy is language in country.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. But it's very hard to get a Filipina girl because I don't know Tagalog, you know. Pwede mo ga?
Pwede mo ba?
Pwede mo ba
Ako
ako
mahalin.
mahalin?
Yeah.
Pwede mo ga ako mahalin?
Yeah.
Oh bro, I got it. Yeah, I'm asking you eh. Pwede mo ga ako mahalin?
Oh, mahalin. Yeah.
Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
pwede kita mahalin.
Mahalin kita.
Definitely yes.
Okay, so I got some girls out there.
Okay,
Just
thank you
follow
so much.
me, talk to me. What do you want?
Yeah. So maybe tomorrow
We're gonna meet again, yeah?
meet again.
Yeah. Guys, it's been very nice meeting my brother over here.
Yeah, thank you so much, brother.
Man, one love.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.